Good morning, students. Let us start our chapter 10, light, reflection and refraction. So first topic of this lesson it is reflection of light. You may know the phenomena of reflection of light. So that means it is the phenomena of bouncing back of light after striking a smooth polished surface. That phenomena is called reflection of light. Maybe you have studied in 8th standard. So see here, it is the light ray. So this light ray falls on a mirror. That is a smooth surface, polished surface. Then after striking this light rays, it will be bounced back on the same medium. So this phenomena is called reflection of light. So there are some terms related to this process, this phenomena. That terms are incident ray, reflected ray, point of incidence, normal ray, angle of incidence and angle of reflections. These are the terms related to this process, this phenomena. Okay. So first we can see what is incident ray. This is the incident ray. So the ray of light falling on the surface, that is called the incident ray. Then reflected ray. The incident ray bouncing back in the same medium after striking the reflecting surface. So this is the reflected ray. Then point of incidence. Point of incidence means the point of the mirror surface where the incident ray strikes and reflected ray bounce off. See here. So this is the point where the incident ray strike on the polished surface. So that point is called the point of incidence. And next, normal. Normal means it is the line drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. So from the point of incidence, we can draw one perpendicular. So that line is called the normal of the reflecting surface. Then angle of incidence. Angle of incidence means angle between incident ray and normal. See here, it is the incident ray and it is the normal. So angle between these two, incident ray and normal, is called the angle of incidence. Then angle of reflection. Angle between normal and reflected ray. So this is the reflected ray and normal. So the angle between these two, reflected ray and normal, is called the angle of reflection. Next, image formed by a plane mirror. So before that, you should know about two types of images, real image and virtual image. This also maybe you have studied in 8th standard. So once again I will explain what is real image and virtual image. Real image means a reflection of light, the light will be bounced back on the same medium. So after the reflection, the real rays will meet at a point and there the image will be formed. That image is called a real image. That means intersection of the actual rays. That is called a real image. So where the actual rays intersect, on that point the image will be formed. Such images are called a real image. And virtual image means after reflection, the light rays that will be diverged. That means that will be scattered in a different direction, not intersecting at a certain point. But we feel that after reflection, the light rays are intersecting at a point. So there the image will be formed. Such images are called a virtual image. So see here, virtual image. For example for a virtual image, one is here, plane mirror. So the image formed by a plane mirror, that is a virtual image. So this is the incident ray. These are the incident ray. So after striking on a mirror, it will be diverged to a different direction. But we feel that it is intersecting at a point. So image position of the image will be here. So that is here actual rays are not intersecting, but we feel that it is intersecting at a point. So such images are called a virtual image. So we can say that the image formed by a plane mirror, that is a virtual image. Then next we can see what are the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. So first one, it is erect. Erect means straight. Okay. daily we are using a mirror to see our image, no? So we can see when we are seeing in the morning, we can see our image will be erect. Then how is the size? Size will be same as the object, no? There is no change. Then appears to be at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it. See here, this is the position of object and this is the position of image. So as much in front of the mirror, that much the image will form behind the mirror. Okay, this line shows mirror. So distance of the object, that is equal to distance of the image also. Then virtual image I told that actual rays are not intersecting, but we feel that light rays are intersecting. So where the we can quote the position of the image by extending the reflected rays backward. Then where these reflected rays intersect, there the image will be formed. Then laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means the letters. If you have confusion, you can see, write any letter on one plain paper. Then that show in front of the mirror. Then you can see how is it. So letters that will be in inverted position. That is why in ambulance and all, it is written. The letters written in an inverted position. Then only the driver, those who are moving in front of the ambulance, can read that name properly. Okay, so that is the last characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, that laterally inverted. That means if you will rise over right hand, then on the mirror it will show as a left. Okay, so today I have completed up to page number 161 above spherical mirrors. After reading the portion, if you have any doubt, you may ask. Regarding the topic only, you have to ask. Okay, unwanted messages don't send in the group.